Okay, well, now that we have moved cat, let's see how we can move flower. Okay, so I'm gonna click on flower right here and see flower doesn't have any blocks, but cat does. Okay, for flower, let's see. Turn left and turn right. Let's see what those would do. Oh, did you see that? Let's do it one at a time. Turn left and then turn right. Oh, if I connect it, left, right, turn left, right. That is so cool, isn't it, guys? Okay. How about hop? Hop, hop, hop. Is it this one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Oh no, that's the turn left. Oops. Oopsies. Okay, if I make a mistake, don't worry, guys. I just have to click go home and then get rid of this block by taking it and bringing it outside of this white space. So maybe here, and I let go, and it will disappear. Okay, left, right, and then hop. Oh, hop! I found hop. Okay, if I click it, oh, flower is hopping. What's this number here? Actually, all of them have a number. Let's see what would happen if I click on the number. Oh, I can change the number. What if I changed it to 5? Whoa, that was a really, really big hop. How about 10? Whoa, even bigger. I couldn't even see Flower's face. Oh, I think 2 was good. Yeah, that was good. Flower, come back home. Okay, let's put that block right here and let's see what happens all together. Did you guys see that? Flower, turn left, right, hop. Turn left, right, hop. Oh, we did it, guys. So, flowers. Oh, oops, I pressed it too quickly. Come back home. There we go. Yay! Awesome job, guys. Okay, so now it's your turn. Try to make your characters dance and move all around, just like my flower and my cat. And you can click on these blocks and see your characters move. I'll give you guys some time to do that, okay? So you can pause the video and make your characters move and dance and come back, okay? See you soon! Alright guys, welcome back! So, now that you have your characters moving and dancing, we're now gonna look at the yellow blocks. Ooh, these are called the trigger blocks. And these blocks usually come in the beginning, like this, or the end, or even sometimes the middle, of other blocks. And they tell the iPad when the character should move. So, for example, this green one, it says start on green flag. So, if I bring this green flag and attach it to the front, what would happen if I clicked on the green flag right here? Oh, did you see that? When I clicked on the green flag, cat began to move. But Sammy, why is flower not moving, you ask? Oh, guys, that's because flower doesn't have a green flag. let's go to flower. Highlight flower like this. And then give flower a green flag. And now that both characters have a green flag, if we click on green flag, whoa! Both of them are dancing! Yay! Woo woo! Awesome, isn't it? That is so cool, guys. And there are these other cool blocks too. Ooh! Let's see what happens if we chose this one. It says start on tap cat. Okay, so I'm gonna take these blue blocks, drag it out, and say goodbye to the green flag. Boop. And then I'm gonna bring this one. Let's see what happens when we click on the green flag now. Oh, flower still has a green flag, so flower is moving, but cat doesn't have a green flag, so cat is not moving. Oh, Sammy, you're making me sad. Don't be sad, guys. Okay, well, if you want cat to move, we just have to tap him. Tap, tap. Oh, see? Cat is moving. Tap, tap. Oh, does that mean that flower will also move when we tap? Oh, why is flower not moving? Oh, that's because flower just has a green block. So flower moves when we click on the green flag, and now cat moves when we click on him. Click. Oh, isn't that cool, guys? That is so awesome, isn't it? Well, now that you have learned about the blue blocks and also the yellow blocks, I want you guys to explore all of these awesome blocks and make a cool dance party with your characters. Can you do that? I can't hear you guys. Can you do that? Whoa, so exciting! Yay! Okay, I can't wait to see what you guys will make. Okay, when you have made something and you're ready to share, don't forget to ask your parents or teachers about how you can share by going to ottiya.com, ottiya.com, and finding out all the details on the series called How to Make a Short Story in Scans Junior. Okay, guys. Awesome! Don't forget to also check out cool resources and online classes with our awesome teachers too. Yay! See you next time. Bye!